Hi there, I'm Shahi and welcome to Shahi's Easy English. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, I'm Shahi and I'm an English teacher. And at the moment, we are doing a series and it's called Speak Like a Native. What we do is we use a video. At the moment, we're using Sherlock Holmes videos. And I look at the expressions that are used in that video and explain it to you. So how does this work for you? Number one, you watch Shahi's video. This video, because I will explain things to you very, very simply in a shortest way. Okay, after that, you watch the Sherlock Holmes video that is linked below. Okay, this time it's really short. It's under 4 minutes. So let's get cracking. So the video is going to be in chronological order, which means it will be in timely order from start to finish. However, the expressions have been presented, I will be presenting them in the same order. Okay, so the first expression that's used is no sign. No sign of someone or something means they can't be seen, they can't be found, they are not there. This can be for someone or something. The shooter. Okay, so there's no sign of the shooter. That means they don't know. They can't see him. He's not there. Okay? There's no sign of his car. That means he's not home. The second expression is to clear off. Okay, this is slang and it's very informal. And so he must have cleared off before we got here, which means he has left the scene, he has gone away before we arrived. Okay, the children cleared off because it was home time and nobody was in the playground. Okay, sometimes we say, well, some people say to other people, clear off from here. Okay, clear off means go away from here. Okay, you naughty children, clear off. Stop playing football near my house. Okay, they might say that. Clear off. That means go away from here, leave. It's not very polite, but it does happen. Okay, expression number 3 is we haven't got anything to go on. He's talking about the shooter, who was Watson, somebody who shot the murderer. How ironic. And he has cleared off, that means he has gone away, and now they have nothing to go on, okay? Which means they don't have any information or evidence to find out who it was or what really happened. Okay, this can be about when people are looking for something or someone, or it's a case we've got nothing to go on. You know, we haven't got enough information to find out what really happened or what the truth is. Okay, expression number 4 is I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that, which means I disagree. When the inspector says we haven't got anything to go on, okay, the previous expression, Sherlock replies, I wouldn't say that. I don't agree, okay? We can say, oh, that project is too big. I don't think it can be done by the end of the year. And somebody might say, I wouldn't say that, okay? So it means I don't agree with it, or I don't think so, which kind of means the same thing. Expression number 5 is to have nerves of steel. This means to get very calm in a very stressful situation. So Watson shot the man, the murderer, and what Holmes was saying, what Sherlock was saying, is that he kept very calm when he was shooting this person. And so, for example, it can be maybe somebody who is in the circus and they are walking on the tightrope. Maybe they have nerves of steel because they're walking on a rope. They might fall, they might die. But no, they are very confident and very calm, and they are able to proceed with what they have to do. Okay? Hi, I'm Kat, and I'm going to help you with the rest of the expressions. And if you are new, then welcome to you. Okay, so the next expression we are looking at is what now? What now? This means stop bothering me, okay? Stop annoying me. And what do you want now? For example, if I am secretly trying to wrap my sister's present and I hear her and I put it away, and she comes in the room and she starts talking to me and asking me, and then she comes back again and I say, what now? What do you want? Stop bothering me, because I'm trying to hide something. But this is not always the case about hiding something. But sometimes we get frustrated when people are asking us so many questions. We have other things to do. So we say, what now? What do you want? I have things to do. I'm busy. I'm busy, okay? Okay, so the next expression, number 7, is to serve time. To serve time is to go to prison. He is serving time. She has served time. So and so is going to serve time. They are going to go to jail, or they have been to jail. Okay, to prison or jail, whatever you want to choose. And expression number 8 is cabby. Cabby just means cab driver, taxi driver. Okay, are you a cabby? Okay, maybe you are not, but that's all it means. Very, very simple. So expression number 9 is you should have seen. What does Sherlock say? He said he's not a very nice cabby. You should have seen the route he took us on, okay? The drive, the route. And this means you are emphasizing, you are putting attention to this bit. You should have seen the route that he took us on. That means this route was very bad or strange. Okay, you should have seen how beautiful the moon was last night. Okay, you should have been there. You should have seen how disgusting her dress looked, how hideous it looked. Okay, you should have seen. This is a very common and nice expression to use for positive things and for negative things. You should have been there. You should have seen. It was wonderful. Okay, so number 10 is to turn up. Okay, to turn up means for somebody to arrive, to come. To turn up to somebody's house is to come to somebody's house. She had a party and all her friends turned up on time. They came on time, okay? To turn up. Or they didn't turn up. There was a meeting at 8 o'clock and nobody turned up. Nobody came. And that's it, okay? So I invited you, but you didn't turn up. That's what we can say. This one is very common also, okay? All of them are really common. So even if you're not using them, you can understand, okay? This is a beautiful thing, to be able to understand another person. So sadly, we are at the end of the video. I know you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. So please give it a big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Next week we will have more wonderful videos, and soon we will be posting another audiobook, and this one is really, really nice. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful time. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to check out the links below. They are for you to help you progress in your English. I am so happy to know new people that have subscribed, and hello to you and thank you to you. Take care. See you soon. Bye for now. Thank you so much.